I mean, ironically, what's happened in the last couple of days, even today with what Donald Trump did in threatening Alvin Bragg, that ought to be put into the indictment and charged as a crime.
Donald Trump, believe it or not, actually took down a post that he posted. That doesn't happen all that often.
Right.
But this was on Truth Social, his post. It's two pictures spliced together. On the left is Donald Trump with a baseball bat. On the right is his prosecutor, Alvin Bragg.
Right.
Now, you were a prosecutor with the Southern District of New York. How does this go over when you imply a threat toward your prosecutor with a baseball bat?
It goes over into a count for obstruction of justice. That's what it goes into. And that's what they ought to do. They ought to put that in. It's a serious felony. It's going to be an easy one to prove. They've got the picture. They've got the statements that he made today on his Truth Social. I think that is...
Because nobody likes their prosecutor, just for the record.
Of course not.
You may not even like your dentist, but you definitely don't like your dentist more than you like your prosecutor.
Oh.
You were a prosecutor. They must threaten prosecutors and judges all the time.
No, that doesn't happen all the time. Not at all. I can't say I got that many threats over a course of time. I mean, people will say bad things about you, but threats, no. That is really unusual. It just doesn't happen. I mean, even the biggest mafia bosses they put away, they just never had any kind of no threats whatsoever.
So you think that's a serious matter?
This is way over the top.
Because Alvin Bragg did get an actual threat today.
Oh, I know.
We're going to kill you, and powder went to his office. I mean, I understand he wants a tight case, but this is a lot of pressure.
Oh, it is. But he's being provided more possible crimes to charge. I mean, I've never seen a defendant like this. If I were his attorney, I would tell him to stop talking about it, keep his mouth shut, because this is exactly the kind of trouble you get yourself in by doing what Donald Trump is doing.
Well, maybe some attorney did tell him, because it's not often that Donald Trump takes something down or takes something back, and he actually took that post down today. Nick.